Hello cosmonauts, and welcome to a new tutorial on Aryel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to set up the Prestashop add-on and start using it to create augmented reality experiences for your e-commerce. So first of all, you want to access your account on admin.aryel.io. Next, you want to scroll down a little bit until you see the plugin section, and then you want to select Prestashop. A downloading process will start on your browser, and you'll find a zipped folder on your computer. And now you want to log into your Prestashop admin panel. I have mine right here. We are then going to navigate to modules on the left-hand side. We're going to open that up. Then we are going to click on Module Manager and open that up. Once we are inside of the Module Manager, at the very top right, we are going to click on Upload a Module. And that's going to open up a pop-up window where we can drag and drop the zipped file that we downloaded, or we can click on Select File and install it that way. I'm going to go ahead and select my zipped file, and we can see the module has been uploaded, and now we are going to click on Configure. Once we click on Configure, we can see that we need to enter our API key from our Aryel account. So to do that, we are going to go back inside of our Aryel account. At the very top right, we're going to click our drop-down menu for our profile, and then we're going to click on Account. Once we are inside of our accounts, we're going to scroll to the very bottom where we can see our API keys. On the right-hand side, we are going to click on Create API Key, and that's going to go ahead and create a key for us, and we are going to click on the copy icon to the right. Now remember, this feature is only available for e-commerce enterprise plans only. Now, once we have that copied, we're going to head back inside of Prestashop, and we're going to paste it inside of the field there and click on Save Changes. Now, on the far left-hand side, at the very bottom here, you will find a section dedicated to your Aryel's integration. So we're going to go ahead and click on Campaigns. Then at the top right, Add New Campaign. From here, we need to enter our product and campaign ID. So for our product, I'm going to search for AR t-shirt. Then I need to grab our campaign ID. To do that, we're going to go back inside of Aryel. I'm going to go back inside of my campaigns. I'm then going to scroll down here to my published campaigns, and I want to use t-shirt 2. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Once I click on that, that's going to open up the campaign for me, and the campaign ID is actually going to be inside of the URL address bar. So we're going to click in here, and anything after the edit / we're going to copy that. So this entire thing here is my campaign ID. So I'm going to copy that. We're going to head back inside of our shop and paste in the campaign ID. Once I paste that in there, we can see some additional information has loaded below. However, we want to make sure that we click on Save first. Now that we have that saved, there are several settings that we can customize in this first tab, such as the loader color, the scale, position, and rotation, and some camera settings. You will also be able to upload an HDR file that will be used as the environment. And finally, you will be able to choose whether you want to enable or disable auto rotation and gestures on the viewer. So for now, let's go ahead and upload our own environment. So I've gone ahead and I've uploaded my environment, and if we scroll down a little bit, we can see exactly what that looks like inside of this preview window. Now, make sure when you make any changes like that, you scroll to the bottom here, and at the bottom right, you click on Save. And if I go ahead and I open this up inside of a new tab, we can see exactly what that looks like with the environment that I uploaded in the background there. Now, if we jump back inside of Presta and we scroll back up here to the additional tabs, we also have the product gallery. Now, the product gallery is an embedded 3D viewer that replaces the standard image in the gallery of the product page. And as we scroll through here, you can see a ton of additional options that we can customize, as well as a preview down here at the bottom of what that would look like. And of course, if I go to our product page, we can see the 3D viewer is here, and we can click inside and we can turn this, we can zoom in and out and so forth. And this is our embedded 3D viewer of the product. Back inside of Presta, the next option that we have is the additional tab. Now, the additional tab means that you can activate the embedded 3D viewer in a new tab. So we have that enabled. We have the title of the tab here, which is View in AR. We have additional content, as well as some additional settings that we can customize with the preview at the bottom. If we jump back to our product page, we scroll down just a little bit, we can see the View in AR tab that we enabled with our 3D viewer inside of a new tab. Let's go back inside of Presto once again and scroll back up. After that, we have the product thumbnail. Now this means that we are enabling the embedded 3D viewer as the thumbnail of the product. And of course, we have customization options for that as well with a preview. And now when you are on the website browsing products, you can see our thumbnail is now the 3D viewer instead of a static image. Heading back inside of Prestashop once again and scrolling back up, we have the View in AR button. With this option, you can decide whether to activate a CTA under the product description that will send users to the original campaign on Aryel. So that way they can visualize the object in their own environment using their smartphone camera. So if we head back inside of our product page once again, we can see that we have the View in AR option right here. And let's go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, it redirects us to Aryel where we can scan the QR code with our smartphone. Now, as a reminder, once you've configured all of the settings, be sure to scroll to the bottom and click on Save so that everything saves the way that you've customized it. And there you have it. You have successfully installed the Aryel integration with your Prestashop store. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I wish you the best of luck using Aryel to enhance your customers' experience with augmented reality.